Good morning. It's the 31st of March, which is the last day of the month, and the clocks are forward today. It is a lovely Mothering Sunday, so happy Mother's Day, all lovely mothers and females out there. And I hope you're enjoying nature. I hope you enjoy my sights of the ancient woodland. And I found that it's been a very different winter compared to last winter, and a very different start to spring. We have had hardly any snow, with a 20-degree February and 20 degrees on the weekend. And it's that time of year now in April where it becomes a bit unpredictable. So judging on the atmosphere, the more moisture we have, the more rain we'll have down here. If it's drier, it'll be drier down here and warmer and sunnier. So weather-wise, it's all to play for really. So I'm just walking through this stream. I could walk up through the path, but I bump into people. And that's a bad thing. Sometimes I want to go on my own, like us all. And walking along the stream is a perfect cardio workout. You also get to spot things in the water. And it's just a bit different on a Sunday like this. So I'll let you know when I'm on the other side. It's just lovely to be down here, the stream, below the ancient woodland, with no one around. Not soul in sight, and lovely flowing water. And everything is looking so bare still right now, but it is only late March, early April. In a couple of weeks, with some more warm weather and sun, these leaves and the fern down here will once again regrow. We've even got some ducks here, which I've never seen before. They don't usually come this far into the woodland, but they look quite happy. I don't think I've got food, but I hadn't for them. So just walking through the ancient woodlands now, and it's quite bare still, but it's lovely. And you're kind of at a vantage point here because you've got the stream all the way down there. And up here you've got blue sky. So it is that time of year where everything's bare, but it's coming alive and you can smell it, you can hear it. And on really warm days you can see butterflies and loads of bees, which is good this year. And even the bilberry trees are starting to bloom. So a bit more heat, a bit more sun, and a bit more rain, and spring will officially be in full force.